Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about relation between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Main difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration is placement of commas. Placement of commas. How we place commas, that is very important, and we place comma in both the systems differently. We know in Indian system of numeration, first comma comes after hundreds place, and after that they are placed after every two digits. Let me explain with an example. Like I take this number, first comma will come after hundreds place. This is 100 place, so first comma will come here, and second comma will placed after two digits, means here. So this is for Indian system of numeration. And in international system of numeration, first comma will come after hundreds place, and after that they are placed after every three digits. For example, I'll take this number 9. First comma will come after 100 place. This is 100 place. Okay, first comma will come here, and second comma will come after next three digits. 1, 2, 3 means here. It's like this. Now let's compare and find the relation between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. If we compare this place value chart for Indian system of numeration and for international system of numeration, we'll find out that till 10,000 everything is same. Here 10,000 is coming, and under this 10,000 is coming in international system of numeration also. But after that here lakh is coming, and here under lakh what is coming? 100,000. So we'll find one relation here. That relation is that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Correct? And from here see, this is 10 lakh and this is 1 million, means 10 lakhs are equal to 1 million. Correct? And here see 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Correct? And 10 crores are equal to 100 millions. And these are the relation, and these are very important relations. Now let's do some questions related to international system of numeration and Indian system of numeration. First type of question are like this: write numerals and place commas. Here you should first know what type of system of numeration is this, Indian or international system. See, it's written here 83 lakhs 73,307. Which system of numeration is this? This is India. Correct? Indian system of numeration. So you can write number now. 83 lakh. Then 73,000. 307. Correct? This is ones place. This is tens place, 100 place, 1,000, 10,000, and this is lakh and 10 lakh. So how to place commas in Indian system of numeration? First comma will come here and second comma will come here. Let me take one more example over here. Now this is 52,433,209. So what system is this? This is international system of numeration. Correct? This is 52 million. 52 will write here. Next 433 1000. 432,000. Next 209. 209 I will write this. Correct? So first comma will come after 3 digits and next comma will come. It's type 2 question. Insert comma and write names according to Indian system and international system of numeration. That also we can do. Here the first 87594762. So first Indian system I am writing according to Indian system. Commas. First comma will come here, second comma will come here and third comma will come here. So how to write this number? First we know what we have to do. We must know the place value chart. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, this is crore. So how we can write this number? This is 8 crore 75 lakh 94,700 62. Okay, and according to the international system of numeration, we'll put commas now. 7 9. First let me write this number over here. 4762. First comma will come here and second comma will come after next 3 digits here. So here we know the place values 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 100,000. This is after 1000 what will come here? Million and 10 millions. So this will become 762. Now let me take one more example. This. So according to Indian, first we'll write according to Indian system of numeration. Let me write this number 044721. So first comma will come after 3 digits from here and after every 2 digits. Okay, how to write this number? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is lakh, then 10 lakh, and this is crore. We can write this number as 4 crore 90 lakh 44,000 721. Correct? And now we'll write according to the international system of numeration. How we'll write? First let me write here number 490444721. So first comma here will come here and after next 3 digits second comma will come. How to write this number? Same, first write the place values. This is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is 100,000, this is million, and this is 10 millions. Correct? So how we can write this number as 40 44,721. Okay. Type 3 questions. These are convert numbers from Indian system to international system or international system to Indian system. I'll take one example in both the cases. First is convert numbers from Indian system to international system. So this is the Indian system. Let me write this number 37454329. So according to international system, first comma will come after 3 digits from right and second comma will come after next 3 digits from right. Correct, like this. This is for international system of numeration. Now next question is convert numbers from international system to Indian system of numeration. This is international. So first we'll write number and after that we'll put commas over here. First comma in Indian system will come here. Second comma will come after next 2 digits. Third comma will come after next 2 digits. This is for Indian system of numeration. Type 4 questions. State whether the following statements are true or false. First statement is, in Indian system of numeration, we can write this number as 83,72,300. Is this correct or not? This is false. Why this is false? Because we have written here lakhs, which is, it should be lakh only. Correct? And second statement is, in the international system of numeration, commas are placed from right after every 3 digits. This is true. And third statement is 1 million is equal to 100 lakhs. This is also false. Why this is false? Because 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. This is correct relation. Thank you everyone for watching my video.